Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Paint or Paint 3D is not working on your system, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do normally when we open Paint and we do something on it and then we close it, sometimes it doesn't close properly. So we need to look for Task Manager in the search bar, click on Task Manager, and then if you have closed Paint and it still shows on the Task Manager, then we need to end the task. So if I'm okay, so we find MS Paint here, and so what I will do is right click and I will click on end task, and then I will go to Paint, look for Paint, and then click on it again and it should start. The second thing I should do if this option doesn't work or this solution doesn't work is to reset and repair and reset Paint. So for that I will need to look for Paint here, go to app settings, and I will scroll down, and first I will click on repair, wait for the check mark, and then I will click on reset, then reopen Paint. It should have started properly. If it still doesn't work, then the only option I have is to uninstall and reinstall Paint. So I will right click on the start button, go to settings, click on apps, installed apps, look for Paint. So this is another method through which I can access Paint for the previous reset and repair and reset mode. Go to click on these three buttons, advanced options, and like I said, reset and repair will also be in this method. So I need to click on uninstall, and then I need to reinstall Paint. For that I will, once I uninstall, I will click on Windows Stores, I will click search for Paint, okay, and then once I get to Paint, if it is not installed, it will come as get. I will click on get and it will automatically install in the computer, and now your Paint or Paint 3D should start working. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.